Down with the sickness once again? Flu, cough, and cold may be among the simplest illnesses that you might encounter, but they usually bring a lot of troubles with them, from headaches that won't just go away, constant sneezing, runny nose, weakness, and mood problems. Well, you really don't have to endure all these. By packing up on immune boosters and adjusting your lifestyle, you can shield yourself from all the bacteria that cause these health troubles. What are immune boosters? Immune boosters are those that strengthen the immune system to help it fight disease-causing elements like bacteria. By incorporating them in your daily routine, you'll have less chances of getting sick. These boosters primarily cover the foods that you incorporate in your daily diet, as well as your daily habits. By making some adjustments in your lifestyle and adding up on those things that will protect your immune system, you'll be able to enjoy a stress and illness-free life. Starting the adjustments in your daily routine need not be abrupt. Simply incorporate one immune-boosting element at a time until you finally get used to it. The simplest way to begin with your lifestyle adjustment is to do some addition and subtraction in your daily diet and habit. Step 1. Avoid toxic foods and negative vibes. Here are the things you must avoid to protect your immune system. On your diet. Avoid foods rich in cholesterol, refined sugar, and coffee. Cholesterol-packed foods pose direct harm to the immune system, while coffee causes dehydration and rob your body of important nutrients. On the other hand, sugar increases insulin, which limits the hormones necessary to the body. Besides, it can also rob your body of nutrients as it uses them for their metabolism. Aside from diabetes, high sugar intake is also harmful for your weight and can cause various other diseases and mood swings. On your emotional health. Avoid stress and anxiety. Negative emotions often take toll on the body and may be manifested in the form of illness. Therefore, take things easy and avoid worrying. After you get rid of all the toxic foods and the negative vibes in your life, you can now proceed to the next step. Step 2. Increase intake on healthy foods and positive habits. Here are the things you must add up on to boost your immune system. On your diet. More water and more vitamin C are a must. Add up on your intake of raw foods as well. Fruits, vegetables, and foods rich in fiber are helpful. If you can eat them raw, that would even be better. In fact, raw garlic and ginger are beneficial because they help the body absorb nutrients better. If you think you're not getting enough vitamins and mineral, you can also go for food supplements, although raw and natural foods are still the best. On your habit. Practice proper hygiene to avoid disease-causing bacteria. Get more sleep and exercise. They will not only boost your immune system but also brighten up your day. Don't work over the limit. Take care of yourself and give yourself a break every now and then. Plus, do something you truly love. All the suggestions mentioned above are simple and easy to follow. By incorporating these immune boosters in your daily routine one at a time, you'll surely enjoy a healthier life.